Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to solve reversed first k elements of queue. So here we are given a queue and we have to return the first k elements of queue. K is given here, okay, and initially this is the length of the queue and second integer is the k, value of k. And we have to return the queue after reversing the initial k elements. So since k is 3, so we have to return initial 3 elements in the reverse order and rest queue in the same order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is our input queue, will get converted to 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, since first three characters 1, 2, 3 is reversed to 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now similarly in example 2, we have queue of length 4 and k is also 4, which means we will just reverse entire queue. Since our input k is 4, 3, 2, 1, and we have to return k elements which is equal to the length of queue, we'll just reverse it, which will become 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are two methods to do this. There are various methods, but one is using queue and another using string list slicing. First I will try to do using queue method. So I will import queue from collections, dequeue from collections. Okay, now I will create a temporary dequeue, and I will traverse an entire in range k. We will append the k elements in the temp dequeue by popping it. Okay. We popped an element from the queue, zeroth position to first element, and we have appended that to temp dequeue. After that, now we have temp, which is holding the initial k elements and a given queue with afterward elements. Okay, so again, I range k. What will I do is I will again insert these elements of temp into the queue, input queue. Since queue, we are working in queue, and queue works on the operation of first in, first out, FIFO. So the element to which was put in the temp first, which will be inserted first in this, again queue. So queue dot append, queue dot insert. Sorry, this time we have to because we have to insert at given position. We are inserting at zeroth position, and what we are inserting queue dot pop left. Now queue temp dot pop left, so that the first element which was inserted in the same order, which will come out of the temp queue. Now it will get inserted to the index 0. So we did two operations. First, we created a temp dequeue and inserted the first k elements of queue to the temp. Again, we are the inserting back from the left side, which so that we get the first in first out order at the zeroth positions and inserting them in the input queue again. So this will do our job. Let me submit it for you and let's test how it goes. Yeah, it does the job. Yeah, it does the job. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.